Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. This is Teacher Umi. Okay, for page 1, first you need to count how many clothes are given. Let's count together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, as you can see here, they have many number. Okay, try to find which one is number 7. And then color all the number 7. You guys get it? Okay, let's continue to page number 2. For page number 2, you need to finish number 1 to 10. Let's count together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, for the next row, try to complete with mommy and daddy, okay? Okay, see you next class. Bye-bye.